How to share Amazon Prime benefits. Hi everyone, this is Kate here and welcome back to the channel. And in this video, we will learn how we can share Amazon Prime benefits. So without further delay, let's get started. So for that, you could use Amazon Household feature. Now open up a browser, head over the search bar, then type in amazon.com/mych/households, then press enter in your keyboard. Once you're here, make sure that you're signing into your Amazon account. Now, head over to create your Amazon family to share your Prime benefits. Here you can share your Prime benefits with one adult in your household. So once you're here, enter their name. Under that, enter the email. Then click on continue. And here it says share payment method. Make sure that both you and the person that you're sharing your Prime benefits must agree to share your payment methods to share the select Prime benefits and digital content. Or you can both use your own payment method for or each other's for purchase. So here, if you agree, click on agree and continue. If not, you could head over to skip for now. So click on agree and continue. Now, on the third step, you could share your digital content. Here it says choose the digital content that you wish to share. So from these options available, select the benefits that you want to share. If you would like to share all, you could select them all. Once done, click on send invitation. Now once the invitation is sent to that person, the invited adult must accept your invitation within 14 days. So that's it. That's how you can share your Amazon Prime benefits, and that's all for today's video. Hope this video was helpful, and if you're new to our channel, consider subscribing. Thanks for watching and stay tuned for more videos.